music you can download on YouTube and stuff, and you play it back.
Oh yeah.
You use it for a lot of.
We are saving the city.
I hope you didn't sabotage it.
We are saving the city. We got 7,
so
Robbie's
3 Hydra.
4 fucking.
Because he's not disappointed.
We got 4 Avengers, so.
Yep.
That's a win.
So we know who to vote out first.
Look at David. David Scott on me. He doesn't have any. David must be Hydra.
Okay.
He hasn't even looked at his card yet.
I haven't looked.
We'll be able to tell
Vince
if Hall
gets
smashes on the first turn.
Always smash.
Thank you.
Quick smash on the last
Robbie
turn,
gets
which
4.
is harder to organize, but basically.
But yeah, if you want to avoid copyrighted things, you can download like that.
Well, it probably wouldn't have. I don't think it showed.
I wrote this new song.
No, well, you have to. It has to be distinguishable.
My
you know,
sweet
it's like when you're talking,
Chuck.
they can make out the tone.
Oh my
Chuck. Well, when me and Kevin
Chuck.
played Transformers, I think some of his videos got dinged because
you
he was playing in the background.
He has this Bruticast.
So does YouTube like view them before they post them?
Yeah, they must pay people to listen.
I want that job.
Just listen to music.
No,
Computers. So everyone has looked at their loyalty?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am the
Do you want me to do the eyes, or does someone else want to do it? All right. Everyone, close your eyes. Hydra agents, open your eyes. On the count of 3, Hydra agents, close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes. Now, everyone, open your eyes.
All right.
And our first villain is the Grim Reaper.
Oh. No,
Grim
that's what I
Reaper,
called my friend Maggie
6.
Bennett, one of my last long-term girlfriends.
Really?
Grim
The
Reaper.
Grim Reaper.
3 damage each turn. Randomly and secretly place 2 attack cards from the discard pile into the team's attack. And secretly, so we'll do that now. The discard pile is empty, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so he's got 6 life. Alright, so that's good.
I'm doing my homework right now.
Vince, already.
Okay.
So that never gives me a clue. Oh yeah, comes out. So Vince, you act first, or you can play first.
Now when we lay card, that's an attack, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm laying a card.
Alright, Tom, that's Hydra.
I'm laying 1.
We should be able to wipe. He only has 2 health left, right?
So
Yeah.
to use her power, I have to do it before everybody lays their card. Right?
Yeah, but if you wanted to, we could go back. But
No, I was wondering. You can't do it after, right?
right, you have to do it when the card says.
Okay.
I gotta wait 1 more to make sure.
You're not gonna do the whole.
Yeah,
He already did.
He'd already hulked.
Oh, you hulked?
Yeah, we got him down.
And the full Nathan has to lay. So 1, 1, 1, 2.
1.
Everyone's 1 except Robbie.
And Charlie.
No, Charlie's 1.
That's the 2 that he had.
Oh, those are the 2 that.
Yeah, the Grim Reaper.
I'll
The
bet
Grim
you
Reaper
both of them are
puts
probably
his
red.
attack in the pool.
Because if we don't destroy him, I wasted my turn.
Well,
We'll see.
I think
I put down 2 good cards.
I think we got it. I think
so. I didn't go for overkill.
Wow.
Wow.
Way overkill.
Yeah, it's overkill. I'm not even going to count it.
He is
So
gone.
Grim Reaper's gone.
We have to vote. How many red cards were
I
there?
know it's
2 red.
I know you're right.
Robbie's the only one who played 2 cards. I have a feeling that Robbie did not play red, though.
Well, let's see. If there's 2 red cards, then that would be.
Everyone played 1.
Everyone played one except Robbie. I mean, the odds are Robbie laid.
These 2 are card counters, so you just
There's
gotta
also-
let go.
but, I mean, both of those.
I'm watching you,
The odds
though.
are 1
I'm
this way.
watching you.
And one person that
You
played
know
1
you're
card.
Hydra.
I'll do this if I'm Hydra.
The other one.
But we could also just vote Robbie out and see.
Cobra.
Or
Cobra.
Tom. I mean, they're both closest to the button.
Oh, come on.
I'd say vote Robbie out just to see. Make sure he didn't lay those 2 red.
I agree.
Oh, fucking hide. Because he knows he laid one of the reds.
No,
That's
I
why
didn't
he
lay a
agreed.
red. I laid 1. I said we just need to kill him. We don't need to overkill.
Let's vote. I know what I'm... Because I'm either going with Robbie or Tom to the button. But Robbie played 2 cards.
I didn't play 2 red cards. I played 2 good cards.
If you're honest,
I
you'll
will.
help us. You'll help
I'm not
us.
worried
You're
about
not
it.
you're not out.
Don't worry about it. I can spread them
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Interesting.
Interesting.
What'd I do, Tom?
Interesting.
You're not counting cards like you do when you're
I
a
did
shield
count.
agent.
Okay,
interesting.
I
So
made
make
2
some comment. Now
comments.
you're like super quiet.
No, I
So
made
you turned your hand in, Tom.
Was I not making comments about? I did 2 math problems.
I don't suspect you, Charlie.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a team again right there. I don't suspect you. I got your back, man.
Who's
We're
out?
both Hydra.
Who did we get out, Robbie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tom is being really suspicious.
Yeah. That was a little overkill.
Yeah.
You kicked one of my team members out, so now I got to be really suspicious.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Yeah. What do you mean?
Give
What
me
do
all
you
the
mean
good
by
stuff.
that? So Tom plays
You're
first.
voted out.
Oh, Robbie has to hand out 1 and 2 cards. Did he do it already?
I did it upside.
Who did you hand it to?
Tom.
Well, okay.
No, you didn't give it to him.
That's suspicious. Oh, who's somebody's here?
Yeah.
Who could that be?
Hey!
Let's
Oh, we
start
just
over.
started.
You want to try it
Let's start
again?
over.
The battery's good.
Clayton,
This won't last long.
Yeah.
You
So
know how
let's just finish
long
it.
a game of Hydra lasts?
Who's our villain?
New villain.
Clayton.
Reaper? Oh.
It's Clayton.
Clayton's a new villain.
Madam Matt.
We should get a card that's Clayton.
After the attacks are collected, reveal cards from the draw pile until the red attack card is found. Included in the team's attack, discard any blue attack cards revealed this way.
I'm Hydra.
Hell,
And I don't
wait,
know
how
who
does
else
it-
it is, because I love my
How does it know if
eyes
it's
up
blue
and my
cards
eyes
or
were
not? It just
closed.
pulls cards?
Reveal cards until a red attack card.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, it's just red.
So it does that on the...
Huh?
So you didn't Clayton.
So it does that...
Pretty good.
I
So
know
they
it's
pull
She
it
does
out.
it at the end of the round.
Oh, but she pulls it from that pile.
We just started like 10
She
minutes ago.
pulls it from
And what's with the
from the
tune?
draw pile.
You know what I'm saying, Clayton?
Because I
they
can't
already
play
had-
the
they
tunes
already
right
took-
now
they already
until I
took-
turn this
yeah.
off. I'll turn after this game. After I record
Clayton
this.
brought some jams. Clayton brought some music.
There is music.
David Clayton brought some music. He has to sit
YouTube.
out.
I don't have a
Yeah.
license to play music on YouTube,
Oh.
so I'm
Oh, we're
recording it.
filming.
That's why I turned the music off.
They'll
That's
get-
what-
Robbie's
they'll get
going
us
to-
for yelling at
Robbie's
YouTube
gonna
all the
forget
time. God, they mention
every
YouTube
2
a lot.
minutes.
We're going to take them off.
Okay, Tom played already. Robbie, handed cards. Nathan, you have to play. Act.
Have I handed cards again?
Yes, you already did.
Damon, you make these turns last so long.
Wait, Nathan played? Or?
Nathan hasn't played yet.
Once there was a way to get back home.
I think we almost need to kill her.
I hear you.
We have to.
I came here
Everybody
with
playing 2 cards.
Turn around and go.
All right, I think we're good.
And then we gotta draw until.
No.
No.
That's
She's
after.
not defeated.
What's that? After attacks are collected, reveal
Oh.
cards. Yeah.
Yep, we draw
Yeah.
until we get a red card.
8 people on Hydra. How much is that?
There that goes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. There's 3 Hydra, 4.
7.
Well, Clayton, the next
There's
game.
two.
Yeah, I should have played.
We can't just let Clayton. You know, Clayton came all the way down here from Solon.
Whoa.
Yeah?
Well, he was in town.
I came from PMX.
Well, you were like, did you get like a hotel room and like make love to some woman, and then you just
We have to
left
play
your
out.
$20 on the fucking
Let's do
table
that.
and came down, to hang out.
No,
That's what I did.
I mean, that would be...
That's looking good.
How we doing?
Robbie's
She's dead.
All right.
She's gone. So
Oh,
I think we hit it right on Robbie.
what are you talking about, Willis? What are you talking about, Willis?
So I
But
think
there
we
was
can.
still, there were still 2 other red cards played
Well, I think
besides.
it's Tom.
Tell me what to do.
So I'm back in.
You're back in, but
Robbie's one of them.
we vote again.
One of
We vote
them.
There
again.
was two
One
other
of
red
them?
cards.